Travel Vlogs by Anu and Naveen. So because of this COVID-19 pandemic going on all over the world, nobody is able to travel. So we thought, why not take you all on a virtual tour? So in November 2019, we did a 10 days tour to Phuket and Krabi, where we covered almost all the famous islands, that is the James Bond Island, Phi Islands, Krabi, and we also went to a famous show in Thailand, that is the Phuket Fantasy Show. So today in this video, we'll be showing you Hanuman World, which provides zip lining adventures in Phuket. There are two famous places in Phuket for the ziplining adventures. One is the Flying Hanuman and another is Hanuman World. After a lot of research, we decided to go with Hanuman World. There are different packages available for the activities that you choose to do. The one which we chose was package B plus, which includes 10 zip lines, skywalk, and the main highlight of this package was the zipline roller coaster, which was 800 meters long. So this package also includes a hotel pickup and drop back to the hotel, and we were also served fresh fruits and juices which are grown especially in Thailand. Like we had the mangosteen juice and the tamarind juice, which was very tasty. So there are multiple ways to book these adventures, right? We can go through many tour operators that are available in Phuket. So initially we had done some research and we had booked this trip through Phuket Travel Company, and you can also book it directly through the Hanuman World website, to which the links are in the description. So why delay, and let's go through the adventure that we had.